are hammering up the straight by the Thurn. Bright sunny day. Sticking to the speed limit, of course. And you can see outside it's about 100 degrees in the shade. Absolutely beautiful day. I think there's one duck that got lost just there. Look. It's only speaking a bit wet. This is Friday. Just hammering back towards the boatyard at Acle to hand over. At the top end of the straight between Thurn Point and Acle, coming into the first windmill on the left hand side there. And we've got Marilyn just come out from her wash. There she is, enjoying her day. Hey lady, smile, thank you very much, that's very good of you.